and welcome back to another unboxing obsession video. I have a new box for you guys. I have no idea what's inside this box, but first let's start with, if you are new to my channel and you do enjoy unboxing videos of all sorts of monthly boxes out there, makeup, skincare, um, lifestyle, all those unboxings I try to bring to my channel to share with you guys. So if you do enjoy that and you do enjoy some product reviews from time to time and some travel and adventures here and there, then go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And also don't forget to hit the bell notification. That way every time I upload a video, you will be notified and you won't miss a thing. If you are already subscribed to my channel, woohoo, welcome back, beautifuls. So happy that you guys are here. So excited with this box, guys. I will show you the box first. So it's called the Idol Free Box. So that's what it looks like. The box is pretty, it's big and it's heavy too. So this box, guys, it's a bi-monthly subscription box. It's $41.99. So this box is perfect for those who are interested in a new hobby with their loved ones, to involve with their loved ones. They can involve the family, the wife, friends. So you receive between 5 to 7 interactive activities, seasonal, and you've also received D.I.Y activities as well with this box. You also have access to members only workout. They have a members only, so you do have access to that, and they have workouts there. They have cooking, they have D.I.Y videos, so they have a whole bunch of stuff included with this box, guys. So with that said, let's go ahead and get started, because I am dying to see what I received in my box. Again, this is what the box looks like. So let's see. Ooh, okay. Once I open my box, it's so heavy. Look how cute that is in there, guys. Okay, let me go ahead and remove the sticker. So excited to see what's in here. Ooh, look at this. Okay, so let's start. Let me see if I have an information card first, because I always like to see. Okay, I don't have one, but I think I pretty much gave you guys details about the box. It's just with the information card, I can give you guys more details of what's included in the box, and sometimes they even include prices for us. So anyways, let's start. So first off, that I have here is a D.I.Y resin kit. So this is what it looks like, guys. Let me see, because I do see some cups there. Okay, so all right, so everything is in there. With everything that's in there, I do see some plastic cups here. So what I'm thinking about doing with this box, I'm gonna unbox it with you guys, but then make sure to go ahead and follow me on Instagram, my subscription obsession, because I am going to do this. First I'm gonna post pictures of everything that I have, like I usually do, but then later on in a few days I want to post what I made, what my project looks like, that I made with this, because I think that's going to be super exciting. My next item that I have here is going to be this. You know what? Let me just show you guys everything that came in here, because I think that's interesting. Just not telling you guys, and you guys are like, okay, yeah, whatever. Nothing is in there. Okay, so I do have some gloves. I have this. Looks like some glitter. No, this is like gold powder. We have white powder. We have this is a bluish purple. Looks more like a blue one. We have the resin here. I hope I'm saying that correctly. We have the face mask in here. Let me try to put this on. Okay. We have the face mask. We have, I think these are the molds. So we have 2 of those. And then we have the sticks, and there's something else in here, and we have the hardener in there too. So all that was inside here. Just wanted to show you guys what exactly was in there. And next up, I have this here. These they look like markers. Not sure, but that's what they look like. We will find out right now. Okay, I don't want to break this. Let's see how I open this without breaking it. Because I truly left my box opener right in the other side. And I do not want to get up to go get it. Okay. So, what are these guys? So these are, I think these are markers. So Richard, okay, they are markers. Ooh, so exciting. So they are markers. There's all the colors there, and then all the colors here. Whoa, these are a lot of markers. Let me just open one just to see how the tip looks like. So that's what it looks like. And then there's another one on here. Okay, so you have a thin one, and you have the bigger one in the other side. So it has two different tips. I'm gonna move everything here because this box has a lot of stuff. Okay. So next up, I have, let's see what this is. So I have this here. I believe this is for the markers. So these are just like different. I think the first one, I think this one is one activity. This one is my second activity, and this one I think no, it does not involve the markers. The markers are for something else, and we will get to it. So this is the second one. Okay, let's see. So this one has, I thought the markers were gonna be for this one, but no, because I see some paint little pots in there. Oh my god, this box is so exciting. I can't wait to do all this. So this is what my project is going to look like once I finish it. Pray for me. I will try to do my best. So I have brushes, and if I want to if I want to hang my project, I can do so with, I have some screws there and some other hardware. So this is all my paint, and they are numbered, which is really important. So I'm assuming this has, let's see how this looks, because I don't see any numbers here. So how am I supposed to, oh, okay, I see, but oh my god, this is going to be crazy. Okay, this is what it looks like. Okay, back here, I don't know if you guys can see, but there are a whole bunch of different numbers back there. Ooh, really gonna have to have my glasses for this one. And then I guess this is my sample, my instruction page. Oh, this is gonna be so exciting. But this is what it should look like, guys. Okay, next up, so this is one project. So far I've done two. I'm not gonna count the markers yet because I know the markers have something else. I'm sure they go with something else. So let me try to get some of this stuff out the way. All right, so I have delicious everyday recipes, idle-free recipes. So I have a book. Oh, this is interesting. Banana coconut cream pie smoothie. For breakfast, there's an avocado toast, oatmeal no-bake protein balls, roasted red pepper dip snacks. Oh, so I have a bunch of recipes in here, guys. So exciting. And then next up, I have a puzzle. So this is Moraine Lake. So it's 500 pieces. Oh, I'm gonna be doing this with my son. I think this whole box I'm gonna be doing it with my son. Look how cute that is going to be. Oh, I can't wait to start with all these projects. Look, everything looks so exciting. Okay, next up I have, oh, so I have some workouts. So these, I have a card with workouts. So it has week 1, week 2, week 3, and week 4. And this is cool because I just started a diet last week. And I'm so excited because I've lost some pounds. And I have a 6-week goal. So this is a Canadian Mental Health Association. Oh, I forgot to mention to you guys, this is a Canadian box, by the way. This is a Canadian box, guys. So it has Bounce Back Today, a video resource to help you feel better and learn to tackle depression, anxiety, and stress. So there's this, feels like a CD. There's a CD in there. And last, which this is what goes with the markers, is going to be this right here. So I have different, I'm pretty sure they're all going to be different sheets, painting sheets, or coloring sheets. These are not painting, they're coloring. And that's what the markers are for. So this is focus. You guys can't probably see it. You guys can see this one, gratitude. Imagine. A lighthouse. Some mugs. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to do this. So these are what the markers are for, guys. So the markers go with this. So this is a whole different project. So in total, I received one. Is there anything else in there? I received 2, 3, 4. I received 4 projects. I received a card with workouts. I received a recipe book and also a CD, Bounce Back Today, which is a video resource to help you feel better and all that good stuff to fight depression, anxiety, and stress. So guys, I think this box, I just left my glasses on through the whole video. Okay guys, I think this box is so awesome. I can't wait. I cannot wait to start doing all these projects with my son. We're gonna have so much fun. Ooh, I'll probably integrate my husband in some of this too. Maybe with the puzzle. We might need help with the puzzle. But everything else, I think my son and I think we got this. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Any comments you have, any questions, feel free to leave them on the description down on the comment section down below. On the description down below, what I'm going to leave you guys is all the information on how to subscribe to this awesome box. And if I have any coupon codes, I will link all that down below. And I will see you guys back soon with a different unboxing video. Bye guys.